In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format phone numbers in Google Sheets. Formatting phone numbers can make your data easier to read and ensure consistency across your spreadsheet. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document. If you haven't already, go to your web browser, navigate to Google Sheets, and open the document where your phone numbers are located. Once there, identify the specific cell or column that contains the phone numbers you'd like to format. Next, with your sheet open, locate the column or select the cells with the phone numbers you need to format. You can simply click on the header of the column to select all rows, or click and drag to select a range of cells. It's important to have them highlighted so the upcoming changes will apply to the correct data. With your phone number selected, direct your attention to the top menu bar of Google Sheets. Here you'll see the Format option. Click on Format. This will open a drop-down menu that gives you several formatting options to explore. Once you're in the Format menu, hover over the Number option until a side menu appears. This menu offers different preset formats, but for a custom phone number format, you'll need to select more formats. Keep in mind that while there are some handy presets like currency or date, these won't suit phone numbers specifically. From the More Formats side menu, choose Custom Number Format. This is where you can specify exactly how you want your phone numbers to appear. In the dialog box that pops up, you'll see a field where you can enter your custom format. A common format for phone numbers is multax, which you can type in to apply parentheses around the area code and separate the central office code and line number with a dash. Type your desired format into the input box. After typing in your preferred format, take a moment to double-check that everything looks correct and meets your needs. Once you're satisfied, click Apply, located at the bottom of the dialog box. Clicking this will apply your custom format to all the selected cells. And there you have it. Your phone numbers should now be neatly formatted according to your specifications. This not only makes your spreadsheet look tidy, but also ensures better readability when sharing with others or visually scanning through your data. If you need to adjust the format again, simply repeat these steps to customize as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting.